Today, we're going to show you how to replace a BMW G Series key fob battery. All you're going to do is press right here on the button to release the emergency key. There's a little slot right here. You're going to put your key in there, and then you're just going to press in and twist. That's going to remove the rear battery cover. Now you've got a CR2032 battery here that you need to replace. We've got a link to those in the description below, so please click on that if you want to help us out. And then all you're going to do is put your key in here, and you're going to pry this out by twisting a little bit and pressing down. Then you need to take your replacement CR2032 battery and you're just going to slide it in place like so. You take your cover and you're going to slide that in place as well. Press down till you hear it click, and then you're going to put your emergency key back in, and that is how you replace a BMW G Series key fob battery. We hope you enjoy, and please give us that thumbs up if this was helpful.